How to get PayPal virtual credit card. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video we're going to be talking about how you're going to get PayPal virtual credit cards in the easiest way. So what you're going to do is you're obviously going to come over to PayPal Money Hub, and over here they're going to tell you your virtual credit card. So here they've told you how do you get an online virtual credit or debit card. So getting an online credit card or debit card is similar to applying for a traditional card. So you can either get it through your bank or through your online providers, or basically any online bank you have. So to get a PayPal virtual credit card, just go ahead and contact the PayPal services. Okay. There is no per se PayPal virtual credit card. Okay, because as you can see, it has a reusable credit line, but not an actual digital credit card. So you can apply for their, reusable credit line, but they don't really give you a virtual credit card to use, but it's pretty much similar. But to get a virtual credit or debit card, just contact your providers and they're going to give you one. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.